Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create online language tests with ClassMarker, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with ClassMarker, open your web browser and go to the ClassMarker website. If you don't have an account yet, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in the required information to register for a new account. Once registered, log in to your ClassMarker account. You will be directed to your dashboard. To create a new test, click on the Create Test button. Enter a name for your language test in the test name field. Choose the test type from the drop-down menu. Click on the Save button to continue. Next, add questions to your test by clicking on the Add Questions option. You can choose from various question types, such as multiple choice, true/false, or text entry. To create a question, select the type you want and fill in the question text and answer options. After entering your question details, click Save to add it to your test. Repeat this process to add all the questions you need for your language test. Once all questions are added, click on the Settings tab to configure your test settings. Here, you can set a time limit, shuffle questions, or enable automatic grading. Make sure to review your settings to match your testing requirements. When everything is set, click on the Publish button to make your test live. After publishing, you will receive a unique link to your test. Share this link with your students so they can access and complete the test online. You can track the results and scores from the Results section of your dashboard. This allows you to evaluate your students' performance easily. Congratulations, you have successfully created an online language test with ClassMarker. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.